The Rise Tello is a drone which was made with a collaboration between Rise DJI. This drone is the best for its price, and it's priced around $120, which is a really good drone for enjoying some time.
The reason this drone made it to this video is because how you can customize it and how easy it is to fly this drone. Anyone can learn how to fly this machine in no time, which is impressive. The purpose of this drone is entertainment. The Mavic 2 Pro is a wonderful drone. You can use it for anything. It has every drone characteristics. It does good videos, good photography. It's priced around $1,500. Unique Breeze is a good drone made by Unique. It is the best beginner drone. It is priced around $200. It even has a 4K camera, which is not common in drones. At this price, it's a really great start for beginners. This is the best drone for making movies. It has incredible camera quality. It can fly for around 25 minutes flying, and its maximum speed is 94 kilometers an hour, and it's priced for around $3,300 for the base model.